Are you facing an error that says the PHP Fileinfo extension must be installed to use the intervention image package? You're not alone. This is a common issue when moving projects from a local server to a shared hosting environment. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when everything works perfectly on your local server, but then you hit a wall after uploading to a shared server. It can feel like a huge setback, especially when you're eager to see your project live. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently encountered a missing dependency exception error in their Laravel project after uploading it to a shared server. They were using PHP version 5.6.19 and needed the Fileinfo extension enabled. Sound familiar? Let's find a solution together. So what exactly is the Fileinfo extension? It's a PHP extension that provides functions for handling file uploads and determining file types. Without it, certain packages like intervention image won't function properly. Let's explore how to enable it. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to avoid this issue in the future. You won't want to miss it. To resolve the missing dependency error, the user should first check if the PHP Fileinfo extension is enabled on their shared server. This can typically be done through the cPanel interface. Once the user finds the PHP extensions section, they should look for the Fileinfo extension in the list. If it is not checked, the user needs to enable it. After enabling the extension, the user should save the changes. This will ensure that the Fileinfo extension is active for their PHP environment. Next, the user should verify that the extension is now enabled. They can do this by creating a simple PHP file that calls the PHP info function. Finally, if the Fileinfo extension is enabled, the user can return to their Laravel project and test the intervention image package again. This should resolve the error they encountered. Fun fact, the Fileinfo extension has been part of PHP since version 5.20. So if you're using an older version, it might be time for an upgrade. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution is to modify your php.ini file. First, locate the PHP folder on your server. Then, find the php.ini file. Look for the line that says ;extension php fileinfo.dll. Remove the semicolon at the beginning of that line. After that, save the file and restart your server. This should resolve the issue. Here's a quick tip. Always check your server's PHP configuration after migrating projects. It can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. By enabling the Fileinfo extension, your intervention image package should work perfectly on your shared server. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and remember to check your server settings regularly.